Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll be talking about collaboration, which means integrating PowerPoint with Word objects and Excel objects. So today we'll be working on the Word. We'll try to import Word outlines document into PowerPoint, and then we'll try to export PowerPoint slides to the Word document. Now, to import a document, Word, so what we will do is we are in the PowerPoint slides, and in the Home tab, I'll go for the New Slides. And in this one, I can say slide from the outlines. You know, in Word document, we have created a document that is in outline format. So I'll say, okay, clinical outline document. I want to import from there. So I can click OK. Now, all the outlines will be imported to my slides. Now, if I just want to show you guys quickly, what is my clinical outline document? This is my document, okay? So this is my heading 1, okay? And this is my heading 2. That's it. So this document consists of heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3, wherever it is applicable. So this is, you see here, now this is heading 3. So this is heading 2, contact information. This is heading 1, client, company, and test date. Barbara is heading 3, okay? So we have only, this document has heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Remember, heading 1 will become your new slides and the heading on the top. Okay, so let's see. Now this is, if you see here, clinical trial. So this is heading 1, that becomes your top, and then all the heading 2 and heading 3 styles are available in the text box. Now, so this is done. By the way, if you look at the layout, this is not the layout that has the content. If you see here, this is the layout, title, and the text. Okay, so it is not like this having content that has, you know, this kind of stuff. Now, if I apply this title and contents, you will see that I will get this what you can say, that bar, and then I will be having all other contents which are available for this one as well. And whatever is the style for the heading and for the bullets, this will also be applied to the slide. There you go. You see here? Okay, style is not applied, I'm sorry. When the style will be applied, when you will reset this to the default of the layout. There you go. You see that? Now let's go here, and what I can do is I can go for the layout, and I can say, okay, I don't want the title and the text. I want take title and the contents. So I got this title and the contents now, and you see here I got the bullets as well. Now let me reset, so I can reset all my fonts and the shapes. There you go. Now similarly, I can click on the 4th shift down arrow key. I can select all of them, okay? And then I can say I would like to change the layout to all contents, and I want to reset all the slides. You see here? Now I reset all my slides, and the layout is with the content. So this was, now I need to set up the header and footer for the slide number. So what I can do is I can go for the insert, I can go for header and footer, and here I can say I need the slide numbers. And you see the slide number is available here. I can apply to all slides. Now all of my slide has a number. This is 7 and 8 and 9, you see. Now I want to export my PowerPoint slides into Word document. Remember, whenever it will export to Word document, it will export the in the outline format. So if you want to see the outline format, how it looks like, click on the normal view again. So this bullets, this thumbnails will become the outlines. Okay, it is not necessary that you should be in the outline view to save this file as a Word outline document. It is not necessary. You can even go back, and now you can say file, save as, and now in the current folder I can say, okay, I would like to go for the outline format. Yeah, this is RTF, rich text format. This is one kind of Word, you know, style. So I can say, okay, this is Word outline. Click OK. Now it will export with all these colors and all those stuff. You know, the yellow color, it will be the part of that. So this is my clinical file that I just, and you see that all my headings, all my slides are available here with the yellow color. Now I can Control A, or I can triple click here, 1, 2, 3 in the selection area. It will select all my document. I can say I want automatic color, that is black. I want Calibri font, and I want 12 size. Okay, now you can see that it is available here. Now I can save this document as my Word document. So I can go up there. This is the rich text format. I don't need that. I need the Word document format. So I can click on the save. It will save as a Word document. Maybe I can put my initials, so I should know that this is my document. Okay, so this is done. So we have done the importing from Word and also exporting to Word as well. Now I want to copy an object from a different presentation. Okay, so different presentation is the Leiden one, so I can land on. So I can click on the land on, and now I can minimize, and if you see here on the land on, I have a slide number 3. This has a picture. Okay, I can click, I can copy, I can close this picture. Now I can come back here on the slide 3. Let's see on the slide 3. On the slide 3, what I need to do is I want to put it here, but not like this. I can change the layout to the 2 contents. Okay, and now I can paste my picture here. Okay, I can bring it here. Now I can delete this content. You know one thing, if I select this content and I paste, this image will become small. You see that? So is to avoid this part, what I did, I did not selected this content. I just pasted the picture so it gets the same size. So now I can click and delete. So what I need to do is, I don't want this background of this picture. Okay, so I have to remove the background of this picture. So the background should be the brown one. Okay, so let's see. Let me see. Oh, now I need to put it on this slide. Okay, not on this part. So I have to take it up. So I can change the layout back to 2, and I can go for this one, and I can say layout to 2 contents, and then I can paste, and I can delete the content. By the way, I need to go to the slide sorter and minimize, and I need to bring the contents to this as a second slide. Okay, now it becomes a third slide. Double click on that and you will be on the slide normal view. So let's double click on this picture. So I'm in the picture format tool. I can click on the remove background. So to remove the background, we have interesting part. Now what will happen is, if you see here, it already removed the background. Okay, but still I can click and drag. So I can say that, okay, my area is bit, now I still find some small white area in between. Okay, in between. The easiest way is click on the mark area to remove, and then just click and drag. Okay, that's it. You see that? just click in that area and drag to in this area. So it will remove the and click and drag. This is little bit, you have to be, artistic. Just there you go, and click here and click, just drag a line, okay, and click here and drag a line and click here. So yeah, it is like that. So you can play around. Now these pills are also deleted, okay, I don't need to. So what I can do is I can click on the keep area, mark area to keep. So I can click on that, it will bring a plus sign. You see the plus, small plus sign, small plus sign, small plus sign, plus, plus. Now if you remove, it will be a minus sign, okay, like this one, minus sign. Now I can say I want to keep the changes. There you go. You see that? Now the background is gone, and then my pills are there. So that's it for okay. Now we need to go for slide number 6, and I would like to embed a table from the Word document. So in the Word document I already have, so what I can do is I can insert the object. This object is from a file, yes, please make sure the link is not clicked, okay, click on the browse, and now I can go to that folder, which is this one, and I can say okay, I need the demographic files, okay, click OK, click OK, and now you can see that I got the now what I need to do is, guys, I want to make the color white because this is a brown background. I need the color white, and some small font is also small. So let me increase the font size as well. Okay, double click on this one. So what will happen when you because this is the Word object, when you double click on this one, you will get the word ribbons here, okay. Let me go double click, and now you see that you got the word ribbon. Now you can play around, you can click on the title, on the plus sign. So to select all the part, I can say I want Times Romans, okay, and the size is 13. There you go, and the text is white, okay. Before I go for that text, I can go for the border and shading, because this is my yellow, so I want my lines to be yellow, okay. The lines should be yellow of the table. Now what I can do is I can go up there and I can change the color to white. When I click the white, you will not be able to see any text here because white background here and white is here. But when you go out of this, when you click outside this one, then this white background is gone, and then the background will be the dark brown. So then we will be able to see all my document properly. So that's it for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll be linking the Excel chart, and we'll try to create and edit hyperlinks, and then we'll go for adding an action buttons, inshallah. And that's it. So say kafara majlis, subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.